It's a historic day in Stamford Superior Court. Judge Kevin Randolph says it's the first time a jury conference was live streamed for the public to view in our state. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sarah Sanchez.
And I'm Brent Harden. All of this happening in the Michelle Troconis trial. Fox 61's Julia LeBlanc has a breakdown of what this all means from outside the courthouse.
The court has given to each side its proposed jury instructions.
This is something called a charge conference, a legal back and forth when the state, the prosecution, and the judge decide how to instruct the jury before deliberations. But this conference for the trial of Michelle Troconis was unlike any other.
There has never been a charge conference in the state of Connecticut that has been live streamed.
This process normally happens behind closed doors, but recently the state made it public. It's the first time viewers like you could see it happening live.
You know, you got to see for the first time how the how the sausage is made, right?
With Troconis in the room, both sides went over each charge she's facing in connection to the presumed murder of Jennifer Farber-Dulos. Police believe Troconis plotted with her then-boyfriend, Fotis Dulos, to kill his wife and then helped him get rid of the evidence on May 24, 2019. The motive, the state argues, has to do with the complicated divorce between Fotis and Jennifer and its impact on the relationship between Fotis and Michelle.
You know, she doesn't like that there is her relationship is being negatively impacted and the quality of her life. Nowhere is there evidence of that.
The defense says the evidence shows the opposite, with things starting to go in Fotis's favor that month when it came to the custody case, but not according to the state.
That I've prosecuted cases where people have murdered for far less than the motive that we've presented in this case.
Another point of contention, who was involved in the crimes? The defense making it clear Fotis had help, but maybe not the help the state thinks he had.
In my view, at least the evidence shows there's at least one other, maybe more people involved, but it wasn't Michelle Troconis.
Prosecutors disagree.
There's no direct evidence that anyone else participated in these crimes. It's all conjecture and speculation on the part of the defense.
Now, the hearing lasted just over 2 hours, and the judge will make the final call tonight on what he wants to include in those jury instructions. He will give those instructions to the jury tomorrow after closing arguments. We are in Stamford. Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.